Okay, so this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video, I want to show you how the continuation of the video where you can use your Google AdSense account for content to apply for Google AdMob. And as you can see, your account is approved. Congratulations, we verify your account information and your ad saving is enabled. So as you can see here, the account is approved. Okay, so I showed you how to use AdSense, already existing AdSense. So now let's go back to where we're able to see this. So we go to account, settings, account information. So now it's not more going to be content alone because this AdSense account is now used for content and AdMob. Okay, active product. So you see the last video, it was just content, but now it's plus AdMob. So guys, that is how to use your existing AdSense account to connect to AdMob. That'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.